Good morning, crafty friends. I am so excited to be back in my craft room again, and I want to share with you a new kit from CraftyCity.com. Our Chana Joshi is the owner of this store, and she puts out some of the most gorgeous kits. So let me share you this one. Is called Capri kit. Okay, so I will put the links to her website down below, as well as her Facebook group, so that you can be let in on some of her new stuff that she has coming in, because she has not only this kit but another kit that is absolutely gorgeous, and that one is from Blue Fern. This one is a Prima kit. So first of all, I want to let you know, if you are interested in getting this kit, you'll want to go ahead and get it now, because she has limited kits available, and right now the shipping is free on this particular kit. So let's go ahead and get on into this. First of all, she sent me these Prima flowers, and I love how it has this little bling on the end of it, okay? And I think I'll probably use that on the side of the book. Is that not precious? Love those. And then you'll also get a assortment of flowers. This one is the Prima Flowers Florida Prima. You get 24 flowers in here, and it looks like a good mixture of pansies, daisies, roses, really beautiful, and they match this collection amazingly. So the next one is also Prima Flowers Florida Prima, and I love the navies and the melon pinks with the gold in there. Is that not gorge? I'm telling you. So you get 12 pieces in this one, and I love this little piece right here. I don't know if you can see that, but is that not gorgeous? Okay. Then you're also going to get the Capri ephemera, which is 23 pieces, and they have a lot of cute stuff in here, like postcards, butterflies, little balloons, hot air balloons, really beautiful little die cuts in here. Absolutely gorgeous, really. Then also you're going to get 31 chipboard stickers, and I love how some of these are blingy. They have that gold outline, and also there's a lot of bling in here too. I don't know if you can see that, but love that. Okay. And I love the gold foil hearts, and there's lots of gold foil on the flowers, etc. The little chipboard postcards. Come with me to touch the sky. That's beautiful. This one says, I love this. You have a little playing card that says see. You have the Eiffel Tower. Really beautiful. Some little postage stamps, butterflies, and again, lots of gold foil pieces. Okay, so also you're going to get, like, if that isn't enough, right? You're going to get the Capri journaling note cards. You get 45 of these, and let me go ahead and open this up so we can see some of these cards. I'm sorry, my nails are really ratchet right now, but they always are, because I'm always crafting. Okay, so in here we have this beautiful Capri picture. I love the floral damask design on the back. Again, we have some more floral journaling note cards. And again, that same damask print on the back. Collect adventures, not things. That's really pretty. We have Eiffel Tower. Then we have some of these beautiful little register receipts. Really beautiful. Again, the same design on the back. I wish they had switched that up a little bit. Let's travel together and get lost in beautiful places. Love these. Really beautiful. Happiness is planning a trip with those that love you, or that you love. Love that. That's pretty. And here we go. Again, we have Capri. Really, I love these vintage poster designs. And then we have Italy. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Truth. Love that. Oh, wow. This is really beautiful, too. Love that. Discover what makes your heart beat faster. Really cute. And again, we have some side cards, too. And then we have our vintage suitcases. And one more thing, up in the clouds, on my way to unknown things. I really like that saying, too. Let's see. So you get quite a few of each. It looks like 3 sheets of each design, and there's 15 designs. And then also, she sent me this cute little journal or slash mini album. And what I love about this is that it is tiny for one, and two, you can fit a lot of photos in here if you plan out your design, and which I will definitely do that for you guys so that you can get the most out of this. But I love how these are all chipboard, so it's pretty sturdy, okay? Really cute, neat little binding system here. All right, kind of like the old school books. And then we're going to get on into the paper collection itself. You'll get the 8x8 paper pad. You get 6 double-sided designs and 5 sheets of each, so 30 sheets in total. So here we go. We have some beautiful collage paper right here. Love that. Ooh, and I love this little design right here. You have the damask with the floral print. Really pretty. And you could even cut these out and use these as cards too, but you wouldn't have to in this kit since you have these available. Capri, Italy, Rome, Paris, your place. Love that. I love the little vintage sunglasses there. That's cute. So we have another kind of like a mini version of these, which is really cute. And then we have this really cool, I'm going to call this a patina effect. Maybe it looks like concrete kind of, you know, spackled on and cracking. And I think that's really, I love the colors. Really beautiful. And then we have our beautiful flowers with the butterflies. And I'm not sure, but I think these are peonies. I could be wrong. I'm not a flower expert, so I don't want to lie to you. And then we have another collage design on the back. Let's see this one. I love the little map. Again, we have like another receipt type thing. We have some of the hotels or homes. Love that. Wonder if they have a page of suitcases. Again, we have more florals behind with maps behind there of all the places that are listed in here. Probably Paris, Italy, etc. And then again, we have these little smaller postcard collage version. And then our final design, I love how this is like a really large journaling piece. I love the little angel over here in the corner, the butterflies. You could actually cut around here and put a photo behind here and use this gorgeous piece as a frame. That's up to you, or just use this as a mat and put your photos right on top. Really pretty. And then again, we have a distressed stucco wall. And we have one last set of pages, which again is another collage of the journaling note cards. And then on the back, we have more, another spackled wall, again, with different colors. Love that. And I think that is it. Anyway, I wish they had had a suitcase page. That would have been really cool. Anyway, well, I absolutely love this collection. I can't wait to get started on doing my live show. Again, that's going to be in my group, Salty Beach Scrappers, on Facebook, and I will be notifying you all pretty soon. I'm going to do that. But what I wanted to do, I was going to do it this week, and then I thought, you know what, I want to give you all a chance to get this kit in. So definitely, if you're going to get this kit, go ahead and get it now. So that way, I think late next week, I will go ahead and do the live show, and I'll be announcing the time and the date. And of course, it'll be available on my Facebook page, and then eventually I will put it on over into YouTube for our YouTube people as well. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to visit CraftyCity.com and go click on kits, and this is the Capri kit, but I will have the links you need in the about box below, including Archana's group and mine, and also I will put it in the comment section as well. Thank you guys. Have a fabulous day. Bye y'all.